Spatial order refers to organizing information or ideas according to their physical location or position. In simpler terms, it is arranging the details of a topic based on where they are located in relation to each other. Also, spatial order enables us to arrange our ideas in an essay. In today's video, we will discuss the fundamentals of spatial order. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more informative videos. The understanding of spatial order guides us in explaining how things are arranged around us. It helps the audience or reader visualize and understand the relationships between different aspects of a topic. It stimulates the sequencing and logical progression of readers using directional cues. So, how to implement spatial order in essay writing? Focus on creating a clear and coherent structure of the topic you will discuss in your essay. For example, if you describe a room, use spatial order to guide your readers through the condition and positions of furniture and other elements. How neatly they are arranged, or if they are messy, your readers should visualize each section of the room from the entrance. You can use different types of transitions to indicate the movement from one location to another. For example, use transitional words like however, moreover, in spite of, similarly, in contrast to, and at the same time to guide readers through the events. Also, you can use signal words like next, to the left, to the right, below, above, adjacent, and in front of to create a logical sequence. It is the traditional style of storytelling, where writers influence readers with detailed descriptions, so they can relate to every event as the story progresses. So, clearly interpret the entire scenario to optimize spatial order in your essay and use the transitional and signal words. This is all for today. We hope you liked today's video. If you have any other queries, feel free to comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative videos.